When I read these statistics about increased defaults on credit cards and car payments and house loans, I have to assume that it's speaking about many of you watching. Now, if you're in that situation, I'm sorry that you're there financially, but there's hope. There's opportunities you guys can be making income by brokering these loans, originating and selling these loans, and you don't have to have any money to do it. You are simply the middle person. What is investing in notes? Investing in real estate notes is generally the purchase of an existing mortgage. Now, we're going to talk about originating a mortgage and then buying it at closing. So the seller will originate the note based on our injection of information. They will structure it the way we tell them so that we can buy it at closing, okay? But that's essentially what note investing is. Thus, you become the bank. Now, just so we're all on the same page here, I know that many of you are not sitting on millions of dollars in idle cash and you're looking for deployment opportunities. All right, I got it. But I do know that the greater majority of you are in a situation where you need to start generating some extra income like yesterday. Because when I read these statistics about increased defaults on credit cards and car payments and house loans, I have to assume that it's speaking about many of you watching. Now, if you're in that situation, I'm sorry that you're there financially, but there's hope, all right? There's opportunities you guys can be making income by brokering these loans, originating and selling these loans, and you don't have to have any money to do it. You are simply the middle person. Now, I'm not talking about, for those that are certified private money brokers, not talking about that. Completely different business, okay? You're finding existing investors and helping them arrange new loans through private money lenders. That's not what I'm talking about here. I'm talking about you going out to the retail masses and introducing them to seller financing as an option to move inventory and structure loans that the secondary market wants to buy and getting paid in the middle, okay? So this is a secondary income for many of you who probably need one right about now, okay? Now, there are different types of notes that you need to be aware of. Obviously, there are secured mortgage notes. Now, these are always backed by collateral, usually the property itself. Borrowers often find it easier to get a secure mortgage note, which carries lower interest rates and better terms than an unsecured loan. At least that used to be true. Now, we just closed on a deal where the seller carried financing for us at 3% interest. We are closing on another deal this week where we are taking over the seller's existing loan that's currently written at 4.25%. So we're bringing her loan, she's in arrears, we're bringing her loan current, and then we're going to put the property back on the market for sale. I think all in we're sitting at 370, taking over the loan at 4.25. We'll put it back on the market at $499.9, but then we will sell it offering financing. So 20% down, I'll finance $420, but then I'm going to write your paper at $799, which is really good for non-bank financing when well-qualified buyers are getting 7.3. Now, what does that mean? It means $80,000 in profit from sale, but also we create a note income of roughly $800 to $900 on that transaction.